Hey everyone, ViewSonic has unveiled its latest gaming monitor, the VX27G58-2K for the Chinese market. Priced at an impressively low, approximately $109, this 27-inch monitor is now available for pre-order on JD.com. Offering a remarkable blend of performance and affordability, the VX27G58-2K is poised to attract both gamers and professionals. The monitor features a 27-inch Fast IPS panel with a 2K resolution, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. Its standout performance specs include a 1 millisecond GTG response time and a native refresh rate of 200 Hz, which can be overclocked to an even faster 210 Hz. These capabilities ensure smooth and responsive gameplay, free from latency and motion blur, making it a perfect choice for competitive gaming. Certified with HDR 400, the VX27G58-2K guarantees improved contrast and color accuracy, allowing users to experience more detail in bright and dark scenes. The display supports a wide color gamut, covering 94% of the DCI-P3 and 100% of the sRGB spectrum. This makes it not only ideal for gaming, but also for professional tasks like video editing and graphic design, where color accuracy is crucial. The monitor also prioritizes user comfort with several eye care features. Its second-generation hardware-based low blue light filter reduces harmful blue light emissions, minimizing eye strain during extended use. Additionally, flicker-free technology ensures a stable backlight, further enhancing comfort during long gaming sessions or work hours. With a sleek and minimalist design, the VX27G58-2K's aluminum stand saves desk space while maintaining an elegant appearance. Connectivity options include two HDMI 2.0 ports, a DisplayPort 1.4 interface, and an audio port, making it versatile for various setups, whether for gaming or professional use. Gamers will appreciate the preset modes tailored for different genres, such as FPS, RTS, and MOBA. These settings optimize gameplay performance based on the genre for an enhanced experience. The monitor also supports NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync technologies, which synchronize the frame rate between the monitor and the graphics card for a tear-free and seamless gaming experience. The ViewSonic VX27G58-2K stands out as a compelling option for gamers and professionals alike, offering premium features and performance at an unbeatable price. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.